Hello everyone, in this video we will show how to freeze a frame in Premiere Pro in 4 ways. Now let's get started. Part 1. How to freeze a frame by inserting frame hold segment. First, go to File and the top bar and select Import to upload the video into Premiere Pro. Next, move the cursor to the place where you want to freeze the frame. Right-click the mouse and scroll down to find the Insert Frame Hold segment. Then press Ctrl key on Windows PC or the Command on Mac while drag the frame hold segment to extend the frame. Finally, preview the video and you will see the frame is freezed now. Part 2. How to freeze frame by adding hold frame. Similarly, move the play handlebar to the proper place. Right-click the mouse and select and hold frame. With this method, the rest of the video clip will be freezed. Personally, I prefer to use this method as it is very convenient. How to freeze frame by inserting an image. Drag the cursor to the proper place. Next, click on the Export Frame button. Then name the image. Change the format as JPG and also check Import into Project. Move the image to the timeline. You select the Split tool to split the video. Then insert the image behind the video clip and adjust the position. Finally, preview the video to check how it looks like. Part 4. Freeze frame using time remapping. Move the cursor to the proper place. Right-click the mouse and then navigate to show keyframes, time remapping, and speed. Split a video clip you want to freeze the frame. Click on the white line in the middle and drag it down to slow down the speed. You can slow down the speed down to 1% to freeze the frame. So these are some details about how to freeze frame in Premiere Pro. Subscribe to us to learn more about video editing tips. Thank you.